Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a class in Vampirio Studio using C++. Let's go and create file new C++ basic code. Let's try it and works well. And now what we are going to do is to move the project, but before of that we need to change from a simple project to a custom project, or simple build to a custom build. Let's go here and setup build from simple to custom. Okay, so now what we have here is an automatic, manually, and default behavior. On automatic, all files that are created like CPP and header files are going to be included automatically, and that's what we want. On output type we have an executable, dynamic lib, and static lib. Let's leave it as an executable. Click OK, and now let's move the build to something called, for example, tutorial class. Let's move it. Okay, and a good practice is to rename this file, this untitled one, to, for example, main.cpp. Let's try it, and all works well. What we are going to create here is a class. For example, if we are going to save the class, the header file. So what we can create? We can create template of engine. It's not an engine, but simple, so you can see what we are going to do. Engine, for example, .h, and now another file called engine for example, cpp. Okay, now in engine let's include IOStream. Let's include okay, let's be using a namespace, the namespace std, and now we are going to create the class called engine, semicolon, and for public methods we are going to create an start or init, and then debug to see something here, and that's okay. Save the file, and we can do this. Go to our main file and touch here, click here in setup build, and as you can see here, all files are included automatically. So now what we can do, we should implement all of this. So we should copy. We first include engine.h, and now we're going to do this engine and this engine. Well, on init we are going to see out init the engine end line, and inside debug you are going to let's output some numbers. Private int init number as 0, but here inside the init number goes to 44. So now init number is an init number point there, and end line. Okay, let's try to compile as well. And now we have our class here. Okay, how we are going to use this class? We need to include the class like this, engine.h. Let's see if this worked fine. And now we can create or instantiate the engine. For example, engine, and we do engine init. And as you can see, init the engine here in the console is shown. And then init debug, and here it is. Init number is 44 because on init we change this to this number, and then on debug we print that number. So that's all for today. That's how we can create a class. Subscribe. Hope you like the video, and have a good day.